It's now 6:15 in the morning, and yeah, I've got 45 minutes to get ready and to do as much as I can before I have to leave home for a nearly 2-hour drive to Cardiff to catch my bus. So I'm in for a very, very long day, very long day. So I've just had a quick shower. I'm gonna just do a basic base of my makeup, and then I'm going to bring a little makeup bag with eyeliner, lipstick, fake lashes, things like that, so I can do that on the bus. So no stress, no stress. It's cost.
Hiya. Hi. Let's double chins. What we're doing, we're waiting for, well, to get a tube.
Yeah.
I'm looking at you. If I'm looking at you, does that mean I'm looking straight in the screen?
You've got to look there.
Oh, right,
Yeah.
okay then.
It's really confusing, but it looks like you're looking straight at the camera then if you're looking there.
Alright then, okay. We ordered an Uber, but it never came.
Yep.
Didn't work. Really new to all this stuff, so we haven't got a clue. So now we're gonna get a tube.
And we don't know anything about the tube either, so...
No, come from Wales. Well, Michelle comes from Edinburgh, so
Yeah.
she's more with it than me, but
not really.
no, we're late.
You found us for places, I would be still wondering.
It's nearly out.
So we're like 15 minutes late, now 20 minutes late.
I know. But no, this is what it looks like. So where did we start off? We started off here. Ticketman told us. I know. Ticketman told us we can go all the way, stay on, and we will reach there. But we ended up going. Spoke to someone on the tube. And we need to go back there to go there. So we are now in Hyde Street, Kensington. Eventually, it's taken us about, what, an hour to get here, going off and on, different tubes. But yeah, those, what do they call them? Those information booths. Yeah. Sure found some. Press a button if you're lost, because they're fab. They know where you are and they just tell you where to go, so it's brilliant. So yeah, so I've got in touch with Glossybox, Emma, I think her name is, and they're expecting us. And yeah, we've got to go now and search for a wasabi place. Walk around the corner and they're there. Look for 125 Glossy HQ. Yay! So we're over an hour late, aren't we?
I know.
But never mind, they were really lovely. They've been really friendly. I've been talking to them on the phone and stuff, and yeah, they're really nice. So I can relax a bit now.
I know.
So I can start videoing.
And enjoy your glossy crown when you get it.
I know. See you in Glossy.
See you later.
We're going into Glossybox. Yeah. Do we knock? I'm not sure. So just trying to look at my shiny forehead. Oh my word.
I'm filming the Glossy of the Month. Filming.
I need a bit of there, but no, have a look around. Oh, look at all those over there. Wow, that is cute. I've seen it. Oh my gosh, I've seen on other videos. I think I get to choose, don't I? Or Nip and Fab.
Yeah, I see that.
Oh,
and it's a big one. It's not like a small one.
Oh, that's exciting.
Okay, I'm ready now.
You ready?
Just a little smile.
If you want to stand up and put things into a box, you can, because obviously you won't be able to actually get it.
Lean all over.
So what we've got to do is, that's not meant to be in there. That's from June.
Oh, so it's a proper little one.
It's a proper box, just empty. And if you pop them here, and then in the end you can put them in. I'm in a better, so I can see this really well. I'm just going to quickly do so 6 things, all yours if you can.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Right.
Can I just move this one?
click through the thing.
So the big ones are powders.
Ooh, ordinary. Oh, yeah, 100% this.
She's found it. Really short.
Oh, that's nice.
Ordinary.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we're done.
We're in.
Yay!
We're in business. Yay.
We're quite skincare heavy.
I know.
It is, isn't it?
A surprise, a turn up for the books.
It's nice to mix it up a bit.
Yeah.
Yay! It's a hero too, maybe just pretend to mix all
Just grab
all the
them.
photos, isn't it? Lovely.
Okay.
Yes.
Emma, move to the right so you're not in my shot.
Do I just put it in?
Yeah, pop it in. Yay.
Yeah, this might seem unnatural, sorry about that.
I mean, it's all for the social.
Thank you.
Yay. Okay, now I can read
Yeah,
this.
now we don't know. Yes. It's a big smile.
Oh, sweaty mess.
Yay. Right, I'm gonna. Can I get a few for Instagram? We've got a Facebook Live tomorrow. Just got an email.
What's that?
God, we're doing a Facebook Live about the July box, and we've got these.
Yeah, I see.
We've got these really cool like canvas tote bags.
Yeah.
We're giving them away. It's very heavy. I mean. Lovely, right, Anna. Oh,
That's my turn.
thank you. Off to Instagram stories, I go. Yeah.
I can get some photos from the video of me talking. I should be used to this, the camera.
Yeah. Well,
It's different when you're at home on your own though.
Yeah, exactly. It's a bit different when I'm sort of staring down a lens at you.
That, weren't we? We should, because we're a bit self-conscious vlogging in the street.
Oh, no, just do
No,
it.
lose that.
People stare, just be like, hey.
Yeah, exactly.
No, whenever we have meetings here, we have people and bloggers sort of
Yeah.
doing their Snapchats and Insta stories and things like that and streaming it all live, so we don't bat an eyelid at it.
We really don't, do we?
That's one thing I haven't thought about doing is Instagram actually. I completely forget it.
There you are.
We do that. We did try doing
Over
a
Facebook.
YouTube live.
Oh, did you?
Both of us, just as we arrived, didn't we? Thought, right, just quick YouTube live say.
Maybe you could do it at the end. Maybe at the end.
There's no signal. I know, there wasn't any signal, was there?
That
It
was
wouldn't let us anyway.
No.
It said I had 3G though, so I don't understand.
Well, we can give you our Wi-Fi password if you want to do it in here.
Yeah.
My dogs.
Who else?
Yeah, I'm trying to do live now. Do you
I
want
have got a bit of a mixture actually, because there's makeup, perfume. Okay, all the rest is skin. I love The Ordinary.
I do.
Cheap and cheerful, but amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Their foundation's sold out.
Do you know that? Out of everything, I don't like the foundations.
Do you not?
I think though, because I'm in my 40s, I think
It's not the best for you.
I don't think
Oh, that's
it
a
is.
shame.
And I tried them both as well, but no, it just didn't suit me. But I absolutely love this skin.
My mum's quite keen to try it. She's in her 60s.
It might be fun. fine. It's just my
I'll let you know her feedback.
But yeah. But no, this is one actually I did want. I wanted the vitamin C.
Yay, live work.
Did it work?
Live.
Oh my gosh.
She's live! No pressure!
It must just be downstairs.
Pardon?
It must just be downstairs. Here is fine.
Maybe it is downstairs.
Oh, it's lovely.
Don't get this in.
No, all right then. Hi. Oh, hi.
Cut this bit out. And we have Stephanie, who's over from
Hello.
She's helping us with customer care this week because we're kind of short on a few team members, so please come over to help.
And you.
Annie, who sits here, who does all our emails, she's in meeting, and then we have Alice, who's our beauty editor, who sits here, who writes all of our beauty unbox stuff and tips and
Gosh.
And then we have our brand team, which is the Lone Ranger.
Oh, I recognise you from the videos.
There we go! Oh, the one video I've ever done.
Yeah, of the mask.
Yeah, the mask. That was so fun.
That I put on wrong, and you did, didn't you? We put it all over the face.
You can do that. You can.
Pain.
Was it painful?
The on the cheeks. Yeah, fine here, but on the cheeks. And then we found out that shouldn't have done that then. No, it was good. It was good. It was really good fun trying it. Yeah.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun. Emma was directing me. Yeah, it was my first direction.
Oh. Oh. Yeah.
So the lovely Rashan, she sources all of our products that go into the box. So.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
She is one of the.
If you don't like it, it's my fault.
So
Yeah, literally.
No, we love that.
no, we do. No, yeah, definitely.
Things to be hit and miss, can't they? But just the risk.
I know. No, gosh, no.
And also the discovery as such. So, like, for example, the snail mask.
Yeah.
It might not be everyone's taste, but you know, you never know until you try it.
Yeah, and it's a bit different as well, isn't it? It was. I didn't get that one. I got shampoo. Yeah, but yeah. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Ooh, fun.
Yeah.
So it's normally busier. Everyone's on holiday. And you.
We have our customer care team. They're on holiday. So that's why we have the lovely Stephanie here from Germany helping us.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Oh,
And then we have our finance and operations team.
hello. Oh, big
They have all the
sign.
boxes to get out of the warehouse. So
Yeah,
there's a lot of them.
Gosh, I can't get my head around how you can manage to get them all out. Because there must be loads.
I mean, it's a tight ship
Must
to
be
run, isn't it,
loads.
Violetta? She's still alive, just.
Oh my
Got to sleep this night, so I'm sure.
Yeah.
Work out our process.
Yeah, I suppose once it works, yeah.
Process this quantity.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
How did you like this? Was it how you imagined it to be, or
The what, sorry?
was it like you imagined it to be?
I'd seen other videos of Glossies of the Month to see what, because I've seen them, and so I had an idea, but no, it's nice, it's really nice. Just I was a bit intimidated. I was like, oh no,
Don't be silly.
there's going to be lots of people here and everything. But no, you're all really friendly, and it's nice.
It's quite a friendly office, I'd say. It was quite fun as well.
Yeah, they're really good. See Glossy Box HQ over there, and there's Michelle over there. Hello. Oops, sorry, it's not side view. So absolutely boiling hot. My hair is like a humid, sticky, sweaty mess. But such a lovely experience. Really, really lovely. Everyone is so lovely. And look what I got. I'll do a proper unboxing. Oh, you can see one of my items. You can. Oh, someone messaging me. I'll do a proper unboxing of all the items I got over the next day or two. But look, I've also got a little crown. Ooh, I can't put it on. How do I put it on?
And that looks daft now. Never mind, I've got a little crown. He even showed me what a photograph of me looks like using a ring light. Oh, I think I'm gonna have to put that on my Christmas list. Oh, it's stunning. Well, not really me, but what it does. It's really, really good, isn't it? It's like that she showed me a picture of me without the ring light and then a picture of me with the ring light, and yeah, it's just, yeah, no, it looks really nice. So maybe, fingers crossed, one day. But no, so we've got about 3 hours now to chill out and yeah, go and have some food. Yeah, left the house this morning at 5 o'clock. Didn't vlog at all because I thought I was going to miss the bus, but thankfully I didn't. It's a long story, but I'll talk about it again because we're starving and we're thirsty now. And yeah, we're going to go. So speak soon. We've just come to this gorgeous little Italian restaurant. I'm not sure what it's called. It's really cool. But we're on the street. You can see behind me, and you can see. Cheers! Prosecco! We thought we'd treat ourselves because we haven't had much time to go shopping, so we thought we'd have a glass of Prosecco. And by the time I get into my car later on, it's going to be hours, so I'm fine. So. Yeah, we've had a little bit of a wander around. Yeah, we're just dying for something to eat, basically. Just sitting down, having something to drink and eat. So yeah, we're waiting for food. And then we're going to go back on the tube and then back to Victoria Coach Station and wait there for our bus home. Back to the madness of that tube station. That looks like an airport. Just crazy, crazy, crazy. I'm so glad that you came with me because I wouldn't be here if you wouldn't have come because I'd be somewhere else. I don't know, Brixton, I don't know, somewhere. But no, so I'm gonna go. Are wearing our glasses, which has been a bit of a problem in the tube today because sat right opposite the actual, what do you call them, like a map. Yeah. Couldn't read. It's not good. Never mind. Can't read now what the time says down there. There's a blue blur. 5 to 8. Okay, 5 to 8. So we'll be back in Cardiff about 10. So quite a while. Gonna hide. We're not sitting together. No, because yeah, you can see that. What? Yeah, some people are sleeping. Imagine if we watches the channel one day. Naughty. Right, so this is finishing the vlog. And yeah, just really bonkers day. Amazing, really, really, really lovely, and yeah, it's so nice to meet you. I know. I'm sure there'll be many more. At least a Prosecco night, but I'm not staying over. No. No, I can. No, I'd lock you in a spare bedroom. That's a good idea. Put a toilet in there, you'll be fine. You don't need to come out. You can just stay in there. Long story. Yeah. But yeah, no, really good. Looking forward to seeing the video, although I haven't vlogged as much as Michelle. I think a bit of a panic. We're trying to get through London and with the tube and everything was a bit but never mind. One of the ladies from Glossy Box that she videoed, so I've got that. Anyway, so I look forward to just editing really. I'll probably edit all this out now because I'm just talking a lot of bollocks. But never mind. I won't add that. Right then, so we're gonna go now.
Bye.